Short on the moon. So sad to be on the moon by myself.
Maybe start drinking some water the day before. Stay hydrated. Obviously, take advantage of the shade wherever you can.
All around the park, there
No,
are hydration stations, fans,
no.
and shade areas like tents.
Into the heat and tonight to watch this match. Team Columbia locked in win.
But when the sun started to set, the temperatures eased, and the celebration only got louder. And these fans showing that they're not afraid to beat the heat.
You know, another thing that'll help beat the heat is night games. I mean, you saw how it looked earlier in the day. People trying to hide in the shade. Look at this. Mind you, it's halftime right now. People are all over this pavilion, and it's, I mean, once the game starts back up, this place is going to be full. It's going to be obviously another reason for you to come here.
I think the
Fan
reason
Fest. Now, it will be open again tomorrow for the game. This is a great place and a great time to experience people. So come on out. Teresa, we got to get you out here. I'm going to send it back to you in the studio, but we got to get you out here.
I'm gonna ask Meadow for help.
And especially I want to come out there and do a little dance like you did, Richard, because that's the reason you were working up a sweat, because you were so in the mood. We love it. Richard Solomon.
I'm going to leave that for the professionals.
Live for us in Fair Park tonight. Richard, thank you so much. All right, let's turn our attention to senior meteorologist Jesse Huila and the forecast.
I've seen him dance.
Holy.
Listen, Richard, I don't know if you can hear me right now, but if Ella Langley was playing in the background, he'd really be dancing.
And he would be
Oh,
forcing his way
hello
up to the
there.
stage.
Yeah, Ella.
An Ella fella. That's fantastic. Let's keep our fingers crossed.
Open the
for some folks who are
door.
in town who are not used to this heat are able
Boom.
to find some air conditioning sometime soon.
Yeah, that is. The heat's not going anywhere. It's actually going to get a little bit worse. So I'm looking ahead now to Tuesday.
I think
which will be the
Meadow's
next
up
game
here.
in the Dallas
He's-
area. In Arlington.
Meadow
at
is
Dallas
never
Stadium.
down here.
Here's the thing with this one. Kickoff is at
He
noon.
just stays up
So
here.
If you're heading out to
Plays
Fan Fest or
for
you're
the
heading out to these
contact.
days, you're kind of in the middle of the heat here. By noon, it's already 93.
Oh,
the sun will be
hello
shining.
there.
It'll still be breezy. High temperatures
Hey, Meadow, can you
Tuesday,
help
upper
me?
90s, close
Yeah.
to 100,
What is
to
it?
98
You need to
degrees.
fix a
That next
helicopter
game,
right
Ivory
now.
Coast versus Norway, again, kickoff at
There?
noon Tuesday. So it's going to be hot and sunny.
Oh,
We'll
now
stay
I
mostly
get it.
clear.
So
Tomorrow's
you just
another
have
hot
to
day.
fix the
It's gonna be
helicopter.
97 degrees at
I'll
DFW.
help.
We'll be very close to that tomorrow. Calling for 98 at DFW. Dallas 99. Waxahachie 95. Denton 97. You see the triple-digit heat where the air is a little bit drier. Building out to the west, it's easier to get to 100 out toward Haskell, Seymour, Archer City, Wichita Falls. A little bit more humid for the Dallas-Fort Worth area, which keeps us in the upper 90s. So triple digits are on the way. I have chances for storms to talk about, and of course we look ahead to the 4th of July next weekend.
Don't play
Forecast coming
Fortnite.
up.
Don't play
Jesse, thank
Fortnite.
you. There was
Because that is
royalty
not
tonight in
important.
Arlington.
You need to
King
fix
Abdullah
the
II of
helicopter
Jordan came
right
to
now.
town.
Fix it
Arlington Mayor Jim
right
Ross actually
now.
posted about their meeting today. King Abdullah has ruled Jordan for 25 years. He is known as a diplomatic bridge across the sometimes volatile Middle East. Mayor Ross said moments like this remind him Arlington is on the world stage,
right.
bringing people together through sport, friendship, and
I
shared
think they're both
experiences.
alone over
Getting
there.
to tonight's match was
I
a little
don't
bit
care.
difficult for some people. Police say a truck crashed into several vehicles on eastbound I-30 just 90 minutes before the match. That brought traffic down to one lane near
No.
Green Oaks. 2 people were injured, but they are expected to be okay. Thankfully, the crews were able to get out there and work pretty fast and clear it within about an hour. Once tonight's match wraps, North Texas has just 4 more to host. The next one, Jesse mentioned it, Tuesday, Norway versus Ivory Coast. From watch parties to traffic alerts, everything you need to know about the World Cup is online at WFAA.com/World Cup. Other news on this Saturday night, crews are preparing to return to Benbrook Lake tomorrow after a possible drowning. Texas game wardens say they got a call about a man who went underwater and did not come back up. Brittany Costello spoke with witnesses who watched the large search effort unfold.
Benbrook Lake was busy.
Just be careful, be careful.
When Jessica Gonzalez got there with her family, she says she noticed something that put her on high alert.
There was
See,
2
all you gotta
sheriff
do is
trucks,
just kill him.
and there was about 3 warden trucks, and their trailers didn't have bolts on them.
The game warden
Kill
boat
him.
were in the water.
I've seen one with Icon just hovering around.
Officials say around 1 Saturday afternoon, the water called up multiple drowning. People we talked to saw the Fish and Wildlife officers on a boat searching the water near the dam for a man who was missing. The search
Kill
continued
the hell
for
out of
hours.
that
A
man.
spokesperson with Texas
No.
Parks and Wildlife says this is one of 5 possible water fatalities game wardens are working this weekend. The water is so choppy, it's made the search difficult.
And I think someone
Gonzalez
was
says the water
buried
was so
here.
rough she had her niece wear a life jacket just walking the shoreline.
I mean, it only takes like 5 seconds.
She says the waves were much too high for them to fish, and the vegetation
There's a lot of twigs, there's a lot of foliage going on, there's a lot of moss.
made the water feel more dangerous than it normally does. The lakegoers, like the Gonzalez family.
Yeah, you want to go watch them?
Texas Parks and Wildlife is reminding people to wear life jackets, to never operate a boat under the influence, and to report unsafe behavior. In Midbrook, I'm Brittany Costello.
Right now, the search for survivors continues in Venezuela after 2 devastating earthquakes hit Wednesday. More than 1,400 people have died, and that toll is expected to continue to rise. A UN official says there are likely 50,000 people still unaccounted for. Rescue teams from all across the world are hoping to find some of them, with Venezuelans digging by hand.
Imaginarte que tu familia está allá adentro. Arriving and just imagine your family is inside and having absolutely no
Imagine
help.
the
It's very
family
sad. In the name of all of Venezuela, please,
all
we
of
beg
life
you, please help. The whole world,
dripping down
please help us.
from the
The
moon.
first U.S. aid plane is now on the ground in Venezuela with 79 American service members,
Nothing
6
but
K9s, and
gone
70,000 pounds of equipment in tow.
where
Several
would
organizations and
go
restaurants in North Texas are mobilizing to help. In an emotional live interview right here on WFAA, Oriana Osuna told us how her Hope for Venezuela effort has already raised and sent money to her home country that's been